Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George and Pedubafo. Today we're going to study something about indices. Indices. Example 1. A. Solve 2 exponent x plus 3 equal to 16. B. Find the value of x in 1 over 27 equal to 3 exponent x. Answer A. 2 exponent x plus 3 is equal to 16. First, we will write the constants in terms of the same base. This is very important. First, we will write the constants in terms of the same base. Now, this base is 2. This base is 2. So, therefore, we convert this 16 to base 2. Since here this constant is 2, we convert this 16 to base 2. Now, when we convert it to base 2, we get 2 exponent 4. We get 2 exponent 4 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 16, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 16. So that's why we got 2 exponent 4, because 2 times 2 gives us 4, times 2 gives us 8, times 2 gives us 16. So that's why we get 2 exponent 4. Now, since both sides have a common base, we ignore the base and equate the exponents. Now, since both sides have a common base, we then ignore the base and equate the exponents to solve for our x. So therefore, x plus 3 equals to 4. X plus 3 equals to 4. Now we find our x. We let x stand alone at this side of the equal sign, and we send the 3 to the other side. Now, whenever you move a term over an equal sign, its sign changes. So, when we move this 3 over this equal sign, its sign changes to negative. So therefore, s is equal to 4 minus 3. S is equal to 1. Now b, 1 over 27 equal to 3 exponent x. We convert 27 to base 3. We convert 27 to base 3. Now 1 over 27 to base 3, it becomes 3 exponent 3. It becomes 3 exponent 3, which means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3. Now, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is equal to 27. So therefore, that's why we got 3 exponent 3. Now, according to the laws of indices, when we move this number upwards, its exponent becomes negative. According to the laws of indices, when we move this number upwards, its exponent changes to negative. Its exponent will change and to become negative. So therefore now the bases are the same. Here is 3, here is 3. So we ignore the base. We ignore the bases and focus on the exponents. Now we get minus 3 equal to x. So x is equal to negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3. So that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I drop new videos, you get it instantly. And if you love it, share it with your friends, family, loved ones, and colleagues. Thank you.